Hey, so you know how this film is due in like 2 days?
Yeah, what about it?
It's supposed to be a horror film. Okay, well, how are you even supposed to make one of those? Let me show you. The first key aspect to a horror film is that you're gonna want to find something spooky, like this mask. How about that homework assignment from a month ago that you haven't finished? Because I know you have one. How about some leafy greens? Those are pretty scary. Another key aspect of a horror film is decoration, like this pumpkin. It's pretty fancy for the holidays. The last key aspect of a horror film is that you're gonna want it to be dark. Okay, that's too dark. Now you know how to make the best horror film out there.